Out of many reasons which make Supreme Court supreme is Article 142 of the Indian Constitution, which gives power to Supreme Court to do complete justice. Now, what is complete justice? See, whenever I come across any law, I always relate that law with the recent judgments or with the relevant cases. In the same manner, I want my audience to understand with the relevant case. The case which I am going to talk about is in Supreme Court website. The judgment is of 14th August and the case name is Ranjit Kumar versus Kavita. This is where you can find this judgment. It is already mentioned in the Supreme Court website. With this case, two questions was highlighted. Can a marriage be legally dissolved if either of the party objects? Second question, what happens if husband remarries before the case is fully decided? To answer these two prominent questions, we have this case Ranjit Kumar versus Kavita. Let's understand the case. A couple got married in 2009. It was Ranjit Kumar and Kavita. In 2010, with this wedlock, a child was born. Since 2010, they have started living separately, and in 2012, husband filed a divorce case against wife on grounds of cruelty and adultery. In 2016, family court granted divorce on ground of cruelty, but adultery was not proven. With this judgment, in 2017, wife appealed to High Court and giving reasons that it was her father who gave rude remarks and not the wife. So Supreme Court set aside the divorce order and clarified that wife cannot be punished for her father's word. Now here comes the twist. Before the decree period, husband remarried. Now husband appealed in Supreme Court against High Court order and sought complete justice and gave reasons like both have lived apart since 2010, almost 15 years. There is no chance of reconciliation. Matrimonial bond is dead, which means marriage is irretrievably broken down. Here comes the law. The Article 142 of the Indian Constitution. Under this, it gives power to the Supreme Court to give complete justice even if the law does not provide directly to it. Using this special power, the Supreme Court granted divorce, but under strict condition. The condition was, as husband has never financially supported, 1.25 crore alimony was fixed, one-time maintenance was fixed by the court, which will be paid in 5 installments in a year. Also, if he fails to pay any installments, the order will be cancelled. The divorce order will be cancelled and the amount which he paid will be forfeited. This judgment is a classic case of the Supreme Court granting divorce on irretrievable breakdown of marriage using Article 142. I hope you all understood it well. Thank you.